Blessings to each and every one. So this morning's word is HIIT, or high intensity interval training. And how I go about doing my high interval training is when I'm on the track, I run every alternate lane. All right, I run it. So I start walking at the first one, then I run this one, then I walk at this one, then I run that one, and so on and so forth. By doing this, and the sun is glaring, doing this, you push your heart rate up and you gradually bring it down. And so the more your heart rate goes up is the more work you put in. All right, so next time that you're out there, even if you're walking, even if you're at a lower pace than anybody else, you don't have to run fast, you know, just up the pace a little bit and you will definitely start to see more result. That's high interval intensity training, or vice versa, high intensity interval training, but it's HIIT.